Let's practice our grammar of fourth weekly. Let's move to the next question. Fill in the blanks with the correct degrees, means with the correct form of adjectives given in the brackets. Now number 1. Now we already learned there are 3 degrees of adjective: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Positive degree means only a simple adjective will come. Comparative means when we are comparing between two, and superlative degree when we are comparing more than two. So let's start from first example. The weather is dash than it was on Monday. Adjective is good. Now here we are comparing between 2 days. So 2 days means comparative degree. So what is the comparative degree of good? Is better. We say good, better. Next question. Quinine tastes dash than any other medicine for malaria. Now here the adjective is bad. Now here again we are comparing between two. So the comparative degree of bad is worse. So now when we are understanding whether it is a comparative degree or a superlative degree, when the word comes then, THAN, then. When the word then comes, that means you think that we are comparing between two. So it is a comparative degree. Let's go to the next example. Gold is one of the most popular metals for ornaments. Now the adjective is popular. Now here the word comes. The means it is we are comparing more than two. We are comparing gold between more than two. So the word the comes. When the word the comes, means it's a superlative degree. So the superlative degree of popular is most popular. Why? Because there are more than 2 syllables in this adjective, in this word popular. So we are having O, U, A. So more than 2 syllables we have, more than 2 vowel sound. So we will write most popular. When there are more than 2 vowel sound, at that time we are adding more and most. More when we are comparing between 2 comparative degree, and when there is superlative degree we will add most before the adjective. So it's a superlative degree. So gold is one of the most popular metals for ornaments. I scored the dash points in school. Now the adjective is less. Now the word the means it's a superlative degree. So the superlative degree of less is least. I scored the least points in school. Now let's move to number 5. This dress is the dash you can think of for the occasion. Now here the adjective is bad. Now here we are comparing between more than 2. So because the word the has come. So what is the superlative degree of bad? Bad, worse, worst. So here the answer is worst. So this dress is the worst you can think of for the occasion. So always remember, when the word comes, the comes in the sentence, so that means we are comparing more than 2, and when the word then comes, that means we are comparing between 2. Now number 6, deserts in this country get the least rainfall. Now adjective is less, and here again we are comparing between more than 2. Why? Because the word the has come. So what is the superlative degree of less? Least. Less, least. So deserts in this country get the least rainfall. Number 7. Why is this painting more expensive than the one we saw yesterday? Adjective is expensive, and here we are comparing between 2. The word then comes. So what is the comparison between 2 means? It is a comparative degree. So the comparative degree of expensive is more expensive. Why? Because there are more than 2 syllables, more than 2 vowel sound, like E, again here I and E. So more than 2 syllables, that means we will use more before adjective when we are comparing between two. So more expensive is the comparative degree of expensive. It is the farthest we can drive in one day. Far, adjective is far, and we are comparing more than two. So the word the comes, means the superlative degree of far is farthest. Far, farther, farthest. So it is the farthest we can drive in one day. Number 9. My grandmother is the oldest in our family. Now here the adjective is old. Adjective is old, and we are comparing more than two. The word the comes. So what is the superlative degree of old? Old, older, oldest. Yes. This is the dash flower I have ever seen. Adjective is pretty. Yes, and here we are comparing more than two. The word the comes. So pretty, prettier, prettiest. So here the superlative degree of pretty is prettiest. So all this we have to practice. You can really practice. If you want to write, you can write. Thank you.